শিল্প শহর হলদিয়া ডাক্তার বিধানচন্দ্র রায় মেডিকেল কলেজে আজকের নবীনবরণ অনুষ্ঠানে অভিভাবক এবং নবাগত এমবিবিএস ডাক্তার পড়ার জন্য ছাত্রছাত্রীদের সম্বর্ধিত করলেন মেডিকেল কলেজের চেয়ারম্যান ডক্টর লক্ষণচন্দ্র শেঠ এবং অন্যান্য বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিবর্গের উপস্থিতিতে। আপনারা দেখছেন হলদিয়া নিউজ।
We are running about 12 colleges. Probably from the year 2019-6, we took initiative to establish educational institute in Hostia. Because education is an important pillar of the society, government will not be able to establish a required number of the educational institute. So, private initiative should be involved in this matter. Since then, we have established 12 colleges: medical college, dental college, engineering college, law college, marine college, health science, management college, etc. Under one society, we have established another 4 colleges. And also we are planning to set up so many other colleges. Though scope has become narrow, financial capability has also been narrowed down. In spite of, we will try our level best to increase number of the educational institute. They provide the education to the society, generally our students community. In each and every colleges, institutes, we organize 2 types of ceremony on the orientation programs and the freshers welcome program. Orientation program is being organized by the management, college authority. A freshers welcome program is being organized by the students. The senior students, they will welcome the junior brothers, sisters. The orientation program is nothing but to orient the students toward the advancement of education and learning. Nowadays, competition is very tough. That's why our students should be motivated. For the orientation program, they have to know the unknown, to see the unseen, so that they can also benefit the society as a whole. Our country is a big one. In respect of our and its bigness, education institute is not so much big. We have to develop so many other education institutes. Medical education is very, very critical. There is a government rules and regulation is very much steep. In 2011, we established this college, namely IKR Institute of Medical Science and Research, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai Hospital. But however, we could not run very peacefully. We have to face so many problems. Now, our medical college is recognized. 5 years mainly. 2 years already elapsed, so another 3 years. So recognize, once it is recognized, it is a free from the problems and struggle. Namely, National Medical Commission, NMC, they will send a team of inspection. On that inspection, they will give the permission for running the medical college. It is very tough. Very tough. And also it is also tough to students also. Students will have to pass their courses, finish their courses, but not so easily it is possible. They have to study more, fulfill their satisfaction, fulfill their aspiration of their guardians by the struggle. It goes without saying. Orientation means to orient, motivate the students to study more, to pay attention more to the study. It is not like an annual festival. Annual festival also, it is the students' right to organize an annual festival once in a year. We support also. We provide some fund to organize annual festival. But the orientation means we have to give some we have to encourage them in this orientation program. By your study, if you become successful, you will prospect in your life. You will be successful in your life. You will be doctor in your future life. Doctor will treat the ill people. But at the same time, doctor should think for the patient, ailing patient, ailing persons. Their aims and objects should not be only for earning the money. Generally, you have to take the oath for rendering service to the people, ailing people. But generally it does not happen. Nowadays we do not get a doctor. Because more and more maximum doctors are busy in their practice, private practice. They do not want to come to the colleges. They do not want to teach the students sincerely. They do not have interest to administrative work. That is the problem. I am not criticizing them. It is because of the shortage of doctors. They want to practice. As a because most of the students, most of the doctors are involved in the inhuman practice, corrupt practice, which I do not narrate here, but you have to be aware of these all evil practices. However, you have to run 4 years and 4.5 years. So, in the beginning, I do not make you frustrated. However, I am not very much to tell upon you. Only I like to say, let you the students become a studious, to become a good doctors, and at the same time let the name of our college become more popular among the other colleges. So in this orientation program, let us take oath that we will do well for the betterment of our students and at the same time of the college. We will make a name of the college, aim of the college, and also name and fame of the students. With these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing these wise words. Now we
like Alexander Fleming, Ronan Ross, Upen Brahmachari, you will be remembered generation after generation. You may not be a good doctor but a good researcher. So when we are in the pandemic situation of COVID, then the researcher always engage in research how good medicines or good vaccine may be discovered. So they are in the research. After 1, 2, 3, 4 years, some of them will get Nobel Prizes. 1, 2, 3 more. They are not engaged in clinical practice, but they are the social service. That is the social service. And another point is, you will be detached from your family from now. But you don't think that you are detached from your family. you are entered into a big family. You have with you your 199 friends who will be your colleague. You will have senior friends, senior students, a big family of faculty members, employees, as well as will be with you also. But you remember, in future you should not come with us, sir, to take the exam time. You should engage yourself in the study. আমাকে আমার মতো থাকতে দাও, দ্য ভেরি পপুলার লাইন অফ দ্য সং, যে লেট মি স্টে ইন মাই ওন ওয়ে, বাট দ্য লাস্ট লাইন ইজ সব পেলে নষ্ট জীবন, ইফ ইউ গেট এভরিথিং ইউ উইল স্পয়েল ইউর লাইফ। সো ইউ রিমেম্বার দ্যাট you will have to sacrifice your 5.5 years for these studies. If you don't sacrifice, if you enjoy these 5.5 years, you will have to sacrifice whole of your life. And if you like to sacrifice these 5.5 years, you can enjoy whole of your life. Now choice is yours. Whether you will treat this as enjoyment because you are free, you are detached from your parent, parent will not be able to connect you every time, physically. Actually, they will be able. So you will enjoy. You will not go to your study. You will not attend the class, but you will have to sacrifice whole of your life. And if you sacrifice this period, you can enjoy whole of your life. You remember, I will welcome you here, and whenever any problem you face here, you first contact with your faculty members, later to head of the department, and next to the principal. They all will be here to assist you, to help you. If you feel any uneasiness due to detachment from your family, your friends will be there, your senior friends will be there. Normally no ragging is happening here. Normally, somebody may say that you cut your mustache. It is, they are not in air, but in
রাজলক্ষ্মী জুয়েলারি ওয়ার্কস,
হলমার্ক সোনার গয়না, রূপার গয়না,
সার্টিফাইড গ্রহরত্ন ও শোপিস দ্বারা সুসজ্জিত শোরুম, দুর্গাচক, বাসন্তী ভবন, দুর্গা মন্দিরের পাশে, সুপার মার্কেটের ঠিক বিপরীতে।